Hey friends, good evening. Let's get started with the option chain analysis for tomorrow, which is Thursday expiry of 24th December. Nifty today closed above 13,600. Yes, above 13,600, 13,601, up by 135 points or exactly 1%. Nifty futures is at a premium of 11 points. One day of rally changes the whole equation, and now Nifty puts are slightly heavier as compared to the call side. Open interest is of 3.09 crore shares on the put side as compared to just over 3.03 crore shares open interest on the call side. Slightly puts heavy. On the put side, highest open interest is at 13,500 strike with just under 30 lakh shares of open interest, and which also has witnessed the highest open interest addition of over 19 lakh shares. And after that you have next highest open interest position and addition at 13,400 strike. On the call side, highest open interest is at 13,700 strike with over 38 lakh shares in open interest, and the highest open interest addition has actually happened at 13,650. Look at the kind of unwinding that has happened across various strikes on the call side because of the rally today. Whereas if you see put side has witnessed more or less strong open interest addition. So after the big red candle, the big fall that happened on Monday, there has been absolutely no follow up. Look at this low which never got breached on Tuesday or today. In fact, both the consecutive closes have been higher. Now, this is similar to what had happened over here and perhaps over here also. When there is absolutely no follow up, that is what is the signal of a very strong bull market. So, if you have to sell, if you have to be bearish, you need to turn bearish only below closing of 13,000 levels. Yes, only below 13,000 closing levels will we turn bearish, and of course bullishness will be back, a strong bullishness only above 13,800. Till that time, like I have been saying, we need to take each day as it comes, but most likely there will be some bit of consolidation or perhaps an upward move subsequently. This is what we can infer based on the strong inflow of FII money and the daily buying interest that happens even after a small gap down. And look at the volumes that happened yesterday. They were higher than the volumes which happened on Monday, which was very strong. And even today the volumes have been reasonable. They have been low, but they have been reasonable, although much lower than yesterday's volume. So I don't see any reason to be bearish at this point of time. On the basis of our option chain analysis and the chart reading, what will be my strategy tomorrow? What will be my hero or zero call for tomorrow's trading? So I will buy the 13,600 call option in the morning, which is just about in the money, and it is trading at 50 to 52 rupees right now. And I will sell the 13,700 calls. So this will be a debit spread, or what you will call it as a bull call spread. Now, what will be the payoff and what will be the return analysis? I'll just show it to you right away. This will be the payoff diagram for the option strategy which I just discussed. So buy one lot of 13,600 call at roughly 52 rupees, and you sell the 13,700 call which is trading around 13 rupees. The maximum loss is the total outflow, the premium or the debit that you have to pay. This will be around 2,910 rupees, and the maximum gain is around 4,600 rupees. So you have a payoff ratio, risk reward ratio of 1 is to 1.6, and the margin requirement is only 20,400 rupees. So this will be my hero or zero call, where whatever you are going to lose is not going to be more than 3,000 rupees, but the payoff is at least 1.5 times. Ideally you should implement this strategy only if Nifty opens and sustains above 13,600 levels in the morning. Now let's move to Bank Nifty, which closed at 29,883 level, up by 257 points or 0.87%. Bank Nifty futures closed at a premium of 25 points. So Bank Nifty has also turned almost at the same level. Call open interest is 1.03 crore shares as against 1.02 crore shares open interest on the put side. So both are almost the same. Both are even. The put call ratio is evenly balanced, I would say. On the call side, the highest position has now shifted to 30,500 strike from 30,000 strike, and the highest open interest addition today has taken place at 30,400 strike on the call side, whereas on the put side the highest open interest is at 29,000 strike, which has over 11 lakh shares in open interest, and the highest open interest addition has taken place at 29,800 strike. The picture is almost the same when you look at Bank Nifty, though yesterday there was some breach of Monday's low by Bank Nifty and it formed a doji, and today of course that doji has been crossed and there has been some bit of up move. Of course Bank Nifty has been relatively weak in comparison to Nifty, but 29,000 remains a fairly strong support level for Bank Nifty and 31,000 is a strong resistance. And even the volumes yesterday and today have been relatively strong in comparison to the volumes over the last few days in Bank Nifty. So that is a fairly positive signal for Bank Nifty as well. So based on our analysis and chart reading, my strategy will be on the bullish side for Bank Nifty also, just like Nifty. I will buy the 30,000 call option of Bank Nifty if and only if Bank Nifty sustains above 30,000 level for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The premium right now is around 108, 109 rupees, and I will sell the 30,200 call option, which is trading around 43 rupees. So effectively the maximum outflow that I will have in this strategy will be around 65 rupees per lot, and the gain will be the difference between these two stocks, that is 200 minus 65, so that will be 135 rupees. So effectively again this is a 1:2 risk reward ratio strategy for Bank Nifty. Let me show this to you over here on the Opstra platform. So you buy the 24 December 30,000 call option at 108 and you sell one lot of 30,200 strike at 43. Maximum loss will be the premium paid, which is around 1625 rupees, and the maximum gain is 3375 rupees. The probability of profit is close to 35%, and the margin to be deployed is only 15,000 rupees with a risk reward of 1:2. So this should be again a simple strategy if Bank Nifty sustains above 30,000 strike for some time. That's it from my end, friends. Hope you have a profitable expiry trading tomorrow. Good luck and thanks for watching my video.
You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, and of course YouTube.